all full, ready to go. How's everybody in YouTube land? Hope all is well. All is well here. It is an awesome Tuesday morning. For some reason I'm up here in some clouds, but yeah, I'm up here in Longview, Washington today, guys. And we're headed to Rainier, which is just about 10 minutes away or so, whatever. Got a photo shoot today. Well, technically it's not a photo shoot. It's I'm going to be shooting video. So I haven't shot video in a while, but that's like one of my specialties. So yeah, I love shooting video versus pictures. It gives me I'll go up here and see if I can sneak in. It gives me a chance to be a little more creative and show off my skills a little bit more, doing the video thing, you know, versus just taking a regular still shot. So it's always fun doing video and that kind of thing. I'm pretty good at it. So we're going up, we're going to be shooting. So it's some land that's being developed, and I believe there's 4 or 5 houses already on it. And there's supposed to be a little creek that the client wants to get in there. And I guess there's some like trashy mobile home parks around there too. But anyways, they're trying to get some investors lined up for this property. And so they want me to come out and make a video to where we can showcase this. I'm not making the actual video. I don't think I'm going to be doing any editing on this. I am going to talk to the client about it and offer that service, but I think I'm just going to be giving him some just regular old untouched clips, which is, you know, easier on my part, but whatever. So yeah, I'm taking you guys out for a ride. Got a busy day actually today. I started work, you know, went in at regular time, 6 o'clock, whatever, 6:30. And I got things going there at work and got everybody lined out. And then now I'm up here in Washington. I'm going to shoot this building or this property. And then I'm headed back to Oregon City, where I'm going to meet some more folks, because I have a car I'm selling, because I'm tired of it. It's time to get rid of it. So so I washed it up, cleaned it up, put it online last night to sell, and like 10 people hit me up like instantly. So ugh, sometimes I don't like when that happens, because that means I'm not asking enough for it. So makes me want to pull the ad down and ask more money, but whatever, I'm not that kind of person. So yeah, I got people coming over looking at it. And then this afternoon I'll be back out with my buddy Kevin, who you guys have seen in a lot of my videos. And in fact, he was in my last 2 videos. We were playing around in Washington last weekend. If you guys haven't checked those out, check them out. They're right up here. We had a good time up there. But yeah, he is picking up his brand new KTM 390 Adventure down in Portland today. So yeah, he's all excited, as I'm sure anybody else would be. So we're gonna go out and cruise around, get it broken in and check it out and do some riding this afternoon. So I'm not sure if he wants to go off-road or just stay on road or what, but yeah, it should be fun. So we'll get to check that out later this afternoon. And you guys that follow my Instagram have probably already seen the pictures of it by the time this video gets edited and posted. So you guys are in the future. You guys are going to see it before I do. Oh boy. All right, so yeah, I guess that's about it. I have like videos from weeks ago that I'm still kind of pecking away at editing that you guys will probably see here in the next week or so. One of them is me and Marcos out ripping up some twisties, where I've got a backwards facing camera on his bike, and that should be pretty good. And then what else is there? Oh, there's a Thursday ride where I talk about 2 of my habits that I get asked about all the time, that I'm kind of working on that video too. So you guys may see that coming down the pike. So yeah, and I know a lot of you guys got upset with me in general, I guess, when I got pulled over. But I don't know, that's just me. Sorry guys, I lost like 30 or 40 subs over that video. Ridiculous. You guys thought I was being mean and rude to that very nice cop, and you know, I don't look at it that way. I know I come off, my tone of voice, you guys, I'm gonna tell you right now, my tone of voice comes off wrong a lot of the times. It's been one of my hiccups in life, and it's even like in my personal relationships and at work. You know, people take me the wrong way because the tone of my voice is off, where in reality I'm like, you know, trying to be nice and cool, but then I come off as being some jerk. And so, you know, that's just the way I'm built. You know, I don't think I was being rude to that cop. I was simply voicing my opinion just like he was voicing his opinion, and that's all that was going on there. You know, I was being a little stupid, whatever, I'll admit that. But we're all stupid sometimes. Nobody's perfect. And you know, I mean, it is what it is, guys. I blatantly broke the law. I'm gonna go to traffic school for it and pay my dues. You know, I mean, that's just the way it is. And I think a lot of you guys misunderstood me when I said that you could run red lights in California. Okay, so I didn't say that you could just run red lights in California. I mean, come on, let's get for real. What I said and what was, you know, misheard is that the traffic lights that regulate traffic on on-ramps in California, as a motorcyclist, you're not required to stop. And I'm gonna go back a little bit on that, okay? And what I should have said to clarify it more is on-ramps with carpool entrances. So people carpooling that have more than 2 people or 3 people in some cases in their car do not have to stop for those red lights either, along with motorcycles. And I guess I should have been more clear on that. Look at the Columbia River. Look at those barges out there. The massive Columbia River. Woohoo! So yeah, I mean, that's just, you know, and I'm not trying to go back on like what I did. You know, I screwed up, I broke the law, and I got caught doing it, and that's just the way it is. Don't hate me for it. You know, I can't please all you guys. It's just the way it is. Any schmaze. So I guess I'm back in Oregon now, and we're about 8 minutes away from the location, and hopefully the sun pokes out a little bit more, because I don't want to be shooting video with all this cloud cover, but looks like we're gonna be okay. I just need a little bit of blue in the sky. I need like half the sky to be blue, and I'll be golden. I'll be golden. All right, guys, I will check back with you in a minute. There we go. All right, new mobile homes, not new houses. 53. That's where he said he was gonna be. Alrighty, mission accomplished. And man, that was fun. That was awesome. That was my best photo shoot of 2020 so far. And I didn't really expect that when I pulled in this place, because it's kind of funky junky. But so yeah, this is an older 700 feet. This is an older mobile home development here that is not up to code anymore. And so what happened is they are basically starting over, and they're starting over with those 4 units down there that I shot, and eventually they're going to be wiping all this stuff out and putting new units in. And yeah, so guess who will be shooting here more in the future? Yours truly. What the hell is that? noise, man. I got my chain's making noise or something. I don't know. But yeah, I got to get back in cell phone range up here so I can yeah, there's like a knocking noise. I noticed it last night or yesterday, and I think it just might be my chain slapping around a little bit, hopefully. I mean, I just adjusted it too. I don't know. Maybe I done wore it out. See if I can pull over here. I got to make a phone call. I got to do a couple text messages before I hit the road. But yeah, this was an awesome shoot. Got to shoot video. It's nice out here. We're just, you know, up here in Oregon by the Columbia River. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. You know, if you're new to my channel, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. You know, we're trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we are well on our way to doing that. Hit that like button if you guys are liking my videos. Check out all my videos. I got all kinds of stuff on there, guys. I got all the stuff from being a hoodlum, you know, getting into shenanigans on group rides, to doing nice peaceful adventure rides, and videos of me getting pulled over and everything. I do everything on motorcycles, okay? I'm good, bad, ugly, and all the in between. Oh boy, I probably just told you guys too much. Anyways, I'm signing out. I'm going home, doing my thing. I'm gonna go hang out with my buddy in his brand new motorcycle after I meet with some people and take care of my business. So yeah, till next time, folks. Oregon motorcycle. Let's go. He's leaving me. Come back. Come back. Oh, that's what I get for having a slow bike. Wants to go. I wonder if I should give it to him or not.